Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant connection error easy and quick. Click here and then go to services and now wait and then scroll down until you find here VGC. Now just click restart, and if you can't restart it, all you have to do is just click start, and now just restart it and wait a few seconds, and after that double click on it and then startup type, make sure it's automatic, and then click apply OK and go back, and then go to system configuration and now go to services, scroll down until you find VGC, or you can hide all Microsoft services so you can find it so easy, and then here is it. Now if you find it like that, all you have to do is just turn it on, click OK and go back, and now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.